why I tell people, like, yeah, I don't blame y'all if y'all fucking hate me. You could choose to hate me. But I'm evolving slowly but surely. Not even slowly, nigga, I'm evolving fast. Yes, the shit is still there. Yes, the anger is still there, but I know how to deal with it. Nobody gave a fuck about how I felt. Now my opinion is respected. And every move I make is recorded and calculated. Nobody gave a fuck about me as an individual. They're not gonna realize I'm a genius until I'm dead. It's fire. It's like super fire, because no one's gonna realize I'm a genius until I'm dead. No one's gonna realize the role I took was divine. I feel like I'm dead.
But you're not.
I'm alive, but I'm dead.
Why do you say that? You feel like there's a part of you that died, or?
Yeah. And unfortunately, you know, due to time, people change, priorities change, and the way people kind of treat you also changes once they get what they want.